top 5 best motorcycle helmet cameras. Number 5. Akaso EK7000 Pro 4K Action Camera. The Akaso EK7000 Pro is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features, making it a compelling choice for motorcyclists looking to capture their rides in 4K. 4K Ultra HD video. This camera records in 4K Ultra HD at 25 frames per second, providing excellent video quality for its price range. Wireless remote control. The included wireless remote control allows you to start and stop recording without removing your hands from the handlebars. Waterproof design. The Akaso EK7000 Pro is waterproof up to 131 feet when used with the included housing, making it suitable for more extreme riding conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi. You can easily connect the camera to your smartphone via Wi-Fi to control settings and share your footage on social media. Electronic image stabilization. While not as advanced as GoPro's HyperSmooth, the EK7000 Pro's electronic image stabilization helps reduce vibrations and improve the quality of your motorcycle videos. Affordable. It's one of the most budget-friendly options on this list, making it accessible to riders on a tight budget. Coming in number 4. Sena 10C Pro Motorcycle Bluetooth Camera. The Sena 10C Pro is a unique motorcycle helmet camera that combines action camera capabilities with a Bluetooth communication system, making it an excellent choice for riders who want to capture their experiences and stay connected. 1080 pixel Full HD video. While it doesn't offer 4K video, the 10C Pro records in 1080 pixel Full HD, providing clear and detailed footage. Integrated Bluetooth communication. This camera features a built-in Bluetooth communication system that allows you to connect with other riders, take phone calls, listen to music, and use GPS navigation, all while recording your ride. Intercom range. The intercom range of the Sena 10C Pro can extend up to 1.6 kilometers, ensuring seamless communication with fellow riders. Voice prompts. Voice prompts make it easy to operate the camera and communication system hands-free. Remote control. You can control the camera and communication functions with an easy-to-use remote control mounted on your handlebars. Versatile mounting options. The Sena 10C Pro offers various mounting options for helmets and motorcycles, ensuring flexibility in setting up your camera. Coming in number 3. GoPro Hero 5 Action Camera. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much in terms of quality, the GoPro Hero 5 is a solid choice for a motorcycle helmet camera. 4K video. The Hero 5 can capture 4K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring good video quality for your rides. Advanced wind noise reduction. It features advanced wind noise reduction for better audio quality when riding at higher speeds. Waterproof without a housing. Like its successors, the Hero 5 is waterproof up to 33 feet without the need for an external housing. Voice control. You can use voice commands to control this camera, which is particularly useful when you're on the road. Robust build. The Hero 5 is designed to withstand rugged conditions, making it a dependable companion for motorcycle adventures. Coming in number 2. GoPro Hero 7 Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 7 is another exceptional choice for motorcycle helmet cameras, offering impressive features for capturing your riding experiences. 4K video. Like its successor, the Hero 7 can shoot in 4K resolution, ensuring that your videos are sharp and detailed. HyperSmooth stabilization. While not as advanced as the Hero 8's HyperSmooth 2.0, the Hero 7 stabilization is still highly effective in reducing shake and vibrations from your motorcycle. Waterproof design. It is also waterproof up to 33 feet without a housing, making it rugged enough to withstand various riding conditions. Voice control. With voice commands, you can easily control your camera while keeping your hands on the handlebars. Time warp. The Hero 7 offers time-lapse video capabilities, allowing you to create captivating time-lapse sequences during your rides. Wide compatibility. GoPro accessories and mounts are widely available, making it easy to customize your setup. Coming in number 1. GoPro Hero 8 Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 8 is a top-tier action camera that has become a staple for motorcycle enthusiasts looking to capture their rides in stunning detail. This camera boasts several key features that make it one of the best motorcycle helmet cameras on the market. 4K Ultra HD video. The Hero 8 can record in 4K Ultra HD at 60 frames per second, ensuring that your motorcycle adventures are captured with exceptional clarity and detail. It also offers various lower resolution options for extended recording times. Hypersmooth 2.0 stabilization. GoPro's Hypersmooth 2.0 stabilization technology is a game-changer for motorcycle helmet cameras. It eliminates shaky footage, even during the bumpiest rides, providing incredibly smooth and professional-looking videos. Waterproof and durable. The Hero 8 is waterproof up to 33 feet without the need for an external housing. This makes it resilient against rain, splashes, and even accidental drops, making it perfect for motorcycle adventures in various weather conditions. Time Warp 2.0. This feature allows you to capture super-stabilized time-lapse videos while on the move. It's ideal for creating engaging and dynamic footage of your rides. Voice control. With built-in voice control, you can start and stop recording, take photos, or even turn the camera on and off without having to fumble with buttons while riding. Mounting options. The Hero 8 offers various mounting options, including helmet mounts, chest mounts, and handlebar mounts, allowing you to find the perfect setup for your motorcycle helmet.